Hey guys, I'm Josh, and in today's video we're doing a little Micro Center run. And if you've seen the title, you'd probably notice that my PC is what Linus and Too Mad would probably be calling
eating or something.
Nah, it brokey.
And luckily, it isn't anything too crazy, but we're taking it to Micro Center today because I should still have warranty on this part. I'm just trying to record the experience. Overall, nothing too much has changed. I did get a haircut, a little summer cut. Hopefully the Usopp from one comments will stop for now, but the long hair will be back for the winter. And I'll show you what's up with the PC. So if you guys are wondering if it's the graphics card, no, thank God. Is it the CPU or anything? Nope. Motherboard, RAM, that kind of stuff, no as well. But motherboard, somewhat. So this right here, if I zoom in, you can barely tell, but that's the culprit right there. So my Bluetooth has completely stopped working, which is kind of weird because my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on that same chip, and the Wi-Fi works perfectly fine. However, the Bluetooth does not. So I've got the Bluetooth device panel going on at Add Bluetooth Device, and right now it just says cannot connect or couldn't connect. And then go over here to Device Manager. So you can see we have Intel Bluetooth wireless drivers going already, or they're already installed, but right now I have them disabled. And as you can tell, I kind of just reset my whole machine as well, trying to, maybe it was a driver issue. But from what it seems like, if I just enable this device, I might have to restart. But as you can see, it starts flashing like this. And it just keeps doing that, and it also causes different issues with updates and stuff like that, so disabling it was kind of just the way to do it. And while I have you guys here, if you could please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, it really helps a small channel like mine grow. And we are super close to hitting 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to see more videos like this as well as computer science, as well as just like PC tech content, hit the subscribe button as well. So first things first, we got the goods. My drink of choice this summer has been this brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. It's really good actually. Get the caffeine intake going for today. As you can tell, a little tired, but the main plan for today is pretty simple. Got the PC kind of buttoned up. It's not really going anywhere. It's always kind of weird moving your PC around just because it's like kind of sits at your desk all day, but now gotta move it around, kind of like a LAN party, I guess. But the main goal for today is kind of two different things. It is one, to either not spend any money because technically this should be covered under warranty, or number two, spend under $50 for this kind of repair or transition. Because that little Bluetooth chip that you're seeing, you can pick it up on Amazon or Newegg, anywhere from like, if you go Intel, it's about $15 to $25, and if you go just like OEM brand, it's anywhere from like 10 to 15. So given that, plus like whatever they might charge for like debugging or troubleshooting, probably another about $20. So if that can be under $50, that'll be a job well done. And I'm doing this again just because I don't want to take out the motherboard and kind of have all that hassle to myself, because at that point I'm just going to want to spend some more money to upgrade the PC, and right now without a graphics card in stock, I'm not going to kind of waste my time doing that. And then it's going to be kind of a little bit of a vlog. I've got a couple errands to run while they probably do it, and then we'll also just see what kind of stock they have. So I'll see you guys at Micro Center. And we have arrived.
I said it before and I'll say it again.
So when I got there, it was actually super packed inside the store, so I kind of just did a little vertical record and took a look at some graphics cards and what they had in stock, and of course nothing really. And I also took a look at some cases. Kind of just looking for something for myself in the future. I kind of like the white as well as kind of a smaller case in general, so took a look at some of those, a Corsair as well as like a Lian Leak kind of thing. Also saw this really nice put together PC with a little AIO action and a bunch of fans spinning. Looked really cool. Alright, so brief intermission. We're right now at the Audi dealership, Porsche, Ferrari back there. I'm just gonna take a look at some cars just while we are in the area pretty much, and yeah. So this Ferrari dealership is brand new to the area actually, and by the time we got there it's actually closed, so unfortunately I didn't get to film any of the cars there. But I did go to Audi dealership. and I saw the new e-tron GT. Looks really nice actually. I like the color. The front is still kind of growing on me just because of, maybe it's just the colorway, but I just loved how wide everything looked from the back, as well as the interior looked really nice. It's kind of a Q7 or a Q8-esque with all the screens and everything, and it's kind of the Porsche Taycan competitor, coming in at 166 grand, which is also less than the Porsche Taycan. So do with that what you will. Maybe one day. So we're back home from Micro Center. I didn't want to record during when I was talking to the employee trying to set up a schedule or something. So instead I have a little skit prepared for you guys on kind of how the conversation went. Hey, welcome to Micro Center. How can I help you? Well, I'm here because I purchased my motherboard and CPU here kind of in December, and I believe it still should be under manufacturer warranty. Right now I'm having a problem with my Bluetooth. It just doesn't work and it just completely seemed to cut out. Very interesting. Sounds good. And you said you purchased the motherboard in December. Did you purchase the Micro Center extended warranty with that as well? No, I did not. Not the Micro Center extended warranty. I see. In that case, there's not much we can do in terms of servicing or getting you a new motherboard, since it's kind of out of our 30-day or 60-day range for getting you a new motherboard or just a new part in general. What we can do is help you out with the manufacturer warranty through MSI. However, things like this usually take about a month. For something as small as Bluetooth not working, did you want to kind of be without your computer for without a month? Yeah, a month is pretty long without a motherboard or a computer in general, so no to that. Are there any other options you have in terms of maybe just getting a new chip that can be replaced inside there, or any other suggestions really? Yeah, it looks like that chip can be taken out and you can replace it yourself actually. I'm not going to say anything about us doing it, but we do have PCIe Bluetooth chips as well as USB ones over in aisle 13, if you did want to go take a look at that. Other than that, I'm not too sure what else we could really do. Alright, well, sounds good. I guess I'll go take a look at what you guys have. And did end up picking up this little thing right here. And that pretty much wraps up the video. I mean, overall it was kind of a fail, but I was filming regardless, so I mean, recorded the experience at least. So now you know, if you don't have extended warranty, you probably will just have to deal with manufacturer warranty by yourself if you're going in for something like that. And if you're wondering also why Bluetooth was so important, my main setup has pretty much all Bluetooth peripherals, so having, you know, like 3, 4, 5 cables kind of across my desk isn't the best option for me, since I kind of bought these peripherals specifically to be meant to kind of swap between different items. So yeah, I mean, that pretty much covers it. Temporary fix. I'll fix it up while I'm upgrading my PC for real later on. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys.